Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a little natural makeup look that I do when I'm going out. It's not my everyday makeup look just because my everyday makeup look is literally just wearing mascara and that's going to be like a 2-minute video. But whenever I go out and I feel like looking a little more put together, this is what I do. It's very simple, it's still very quick, but it just kind of like is one step ahead of just wearing mascara. And I just felt like showing you guys this because I feel like you don't always need to put on a face full of makeup to go out and feel good. Of course, like once in a while it's nice to like dress up and look nice, but you can honestly do that in less steps, less things on your face, and yeah, you don't need to feel better when you do that. You can always feel good in your own skin and just be more natural and everything like that. I definitely always prefer that. I love being natural and just showing who you are because everyone is beautiful and everyone has their own good features about them. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, first things first, my face is already washed. I'm going to be using my Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer. This is what I use every day. If you want to see like a full and its own video like skincare routine, definitely let me know down below. So I just put a little bit on my face just to moisturize really quickly. And the reason I'm like even putting stuff on today is because I'm going out for lunch with my boyfriend, and yeah, I just wanted to do something different and be able to film this for you guys, because I feel like I've been wanting to for a while now. And then I'm just going to put on some Aquaphor on my lips just to hydrate them. And I don't really wear like lip gloss or anything like that. I just stick to Aquaphor because it's so hydrating and it makes your lips look like glossy in a way. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. So that's it for like priming my face, I guess. And then the only thing that I'm going to be putting on my face is a little bit of concealer. I'm going to be using the Pro Conceal, LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is in the shade Classic Ivory. And this one is really good because it's more of like a, I don't know, pinkier tone. It just like blends in with my skin. It doesn't brighten my skin, so that's definitely what I would use it for. I don't need to like highlight my face in any way. This is strictly just to cover up any little minor things. At this moment I don't have any like breakouts. I just have a little scarring, which is something just to touch up, not to really like go on and full on cover it, if that makes sense. So over here I have a little bit of scarring, so I'm just gonna literally with my finger, like this is so easy, with my finger just kind of like dab it in, and it just covers really easily. So any little spots I'm just gonna cover up, and this is like perfect for going out if you just want to look put together but don't look like you tried so hard. It's like an effortless type of makeup look. Sorry if I keep going up because my mirror's there, but just put it on any little thing that you have. And I'm like low-key rushing because my boyfriend is rushing me now. But yeah, just cover up anything. I have a little redness over here too, and it's honestly minor stuff. Like I really don't mind going, like for school I don't care to cover this stuff. I'm just comfortable in my skin, I guess, and it's nothing major at all, so I literally don't mind, you know, I don't care. And then if you have any redness around your nose, and it's not full coverage or anything, so it still doesn't make your skin look perfect, I would say, but I don't know, I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes, not to like brighten, just to like kind of like get rid of any darkness really quickly. And it's so like effortless. And just put some on my other eye. Alright, now that's over with. Alright, that's done with. I'm just going to now put on mascara, and I'm using the telescopic, which is my favorite. If you've seen any of my other videos, it's just my favorite. It really lengthens them and separates them. You just have to really like spread them apart, and they just look so good. I'm gonna do this off camera because I cannot like do them and like look at the same time. I have to like really focus so I can get them like perfect. Alright guys, I finished my mascara, and if you want a little up close, that's how they look. They're just like nice and like spread out, and just to like kind of like give them that like little full effect, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Define Line eyeliner, and literally very lightly go on my lash line and kind of like fill in anything to kind of make them look a little fuller. Just a tiny bit, nothing crazy, because I don't want them to look so black, like too dark, you know. Kind of just like that. That's literally it for my little makeup routine. How I just look more put together in minimal steps. It doesn't take that long. You're just basically covering up any little thing with a concealer that doesn't brighten. It kind of just matches your skin tone, if that makes any sense. You're not using foundation, you're not using anything really heavy. Why is this out of focus? Hello? Using anything really like heavy, and it's just like your skin but a little bit better, and that's really it. Mascara also makes a huge difference. I've been loving this mascara for the longest now. It is like my holy grail mascara, and I don't know, just adding a little bit of eyeliner to kind of make them look a little fuller, because this mascara I feel like you can build it up so it looks like super like whoa, or you could just put a little bit and just look really natural. But I've also been loving to put it on the bottom because I feel like it just kind of ties it together. And that's really it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick little makeup video, how I do my makeup for like going out super quick, really effortless. And yeah, so this is the look. Just super simple, effortless, flawless. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. I usually upload Sundays and Thursdays. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.